Hey guys, let's review PlayStation 5. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, I will suggest to hit the subscribe button. Before starting, I have an amazing product for you. Yes, when you go toilet, yes, you heard it right. When you go toilet, let's do some time pass. It's a hilarious toilet golf novelty gift game by Barwench Games. I have given the link in the description box. You can buy directly from Amazon USA. Without much delay, let's get started. Planning to buy a PS5? We tried to answer some of your questions on Sony's next generation console. No console has garnered more hype than the PlayStation 5, Sony's next generation video game console. Just last month, the Japanese giant opened pre-orders for the new console in the US. And the company had to issue an apology after numerous customers weren't able to order the device due to high demand. This shows there is enough demand for the PlayStation 5, despite the arrival of Microsoft's Xbox Series X around the same time. With Sony plans to bring the PS5 to India soon, there are bound to be tons of questions about the upcoming video game console. Don't worry, we are here to help. We've also had loads of people ask us about the new console. And we have been tracking all the answers. When does the PS5 come out? Sony has already confirmed that the PS5 will launch in the US, Japan, Canada, Mexico, Australia, New Zealand and South Korea on November 12th. Meanwhile, Sony will launch the console in other parts of the world on November 19th. At this moment, Sony hasn't confirmed the release date of the PS5 in India but expects the console to hit retail shelves in November itself. Is it really 50,000 rupees? Sony has revealed that the standard PS5 will cost 49,990 rupees when it launches in India. However, the company will also launch a disc-less version of the PS5 for 39,990 rupees. Internationally, the PS5 and PS5 Digital Edition are priced at $499 and $399, respectively. What are the major differences between the standard PS5 and PS5 Digital Edition? Look, the specs for the standard PS5 and PS5 Digital Edition are almost the same. Both consoles have the same level of graphics, the same design and the same fast SSD. But there are two things that make them different. The standard PS5 has the disk drive, whereas the PS5 Digital Edition lacks a disk drive, though both consoles have the same design. Another difference between the two consoles is the price difference. Thanks to the lack of a disk drive, the PS5 Digital Edition costs 10,000 rupees less than the standard PS5, which will set you back by 49,990 rupees. Should I buy the standard PS5 or PS5 Digital Edition? It's a difficult question to answer. Buy the standard PS5 if you love to buy physical discs. Or if you are someone who has a large catalog of Ultra HD Blu-ray movie discs at home. And in case you are keen to buy the PS5 Digital Edition, get it only if you are going to digital download games on the PS5. What does the PS5 look like? The PS5 is a big console. Sporting a white exterior with a black inner shell, the PS5 looks a lot different from the PS4 in terms of design language. The console can stand vertically and also lay flat. A disc-free, digital version of the console looks slimmer, though. What are the PS5 specs? The PS5 is powered by AMD's Zen 2 CPU and a custom GPU from AMD based on the company's RDNA 2 architecture, which provides 10.28 teraflops of power with 36 compute units running at 2.23 GHz each. The system memory will be 16 GB. The console will support real-time ray tracing for advanced visual effects and will have a solid-state drive, SSD. The storage size is 825 GB, which is less than the 1 TB SSD on the Xbox Series X. The PS5 will also support 3D audio as well. Will the PS5 support a new controller? Yes, the PS5 comes with a brand new DualSense wireless controller. It features a new design, as well as new features like haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and a built-in microphone array. Interestingly, the DualSense controller is compatible with Android devices and even has PC support. Will PS5 be backwards compatible with PS4 games? Sony has confirmed that PS4 games will be playable on the PS5, meaning that the PS5 is backwards compatible with the PS4. The company expects the overwhelming majority of PS4 games will be compatible with PS5 at launch. Will the PS5 support any first-party accessories? Yes, Sony will launch a slew of accessories that will be launched alongside the PS5. In fact, Sony released pricing for the PS5's accessories, including the DualSense wireless controller for 5,990 rupees. An HD camera with dual 1080p lenses for 5,190 rupees, Pulse 3D wireless headset for 8,590 rupees. A media remote for movies and streaming services for 2,590 rupees and a DualSense charging station for 2,590 rupees. What will the PS5 UI look like? The PS5's UI is designed to take advantage of 4K displays. The interface is card-based that will show you the information you might be interested in. And the home screen itself looks very customizable. Then there is the new control center, which gives you access to top features and settings at a single press of the PlayStation button on the new DualSense controller. What can I expect from the PS5 lineup? The PS5 launch games lineup looks impressive. We already know that Devil May Cry 5 Special Edition, Final Fantasy XVI, Hogwarts Legacy, and a new God of War title will come to the PS5. Enjoyed the video? You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.